Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So inshallah in this particular video I will be using the background of the recording app. So follow me, let me show you how you can go about that. So already I've recorded the files I want to post now, so I'll be using this particular background. I think it's artistic as it is. So what I will do is to screen record this as I play my recording. So once you've screen recorded it, then you come to your WhatsApp status. Now you upload the screen recording. So here you will edit some things out like this and file name. You can crop it out using this. So you can also change the color of the line to match the background. You can do the same thing for the downside as well. منافع لهم ويذكروا اسم الله في أيام معلومات على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام. So now I will be adding a text to it. That will be the surah and then the reciter's name. So let's go with this. Can you shift it down like this? You can include the reciter's name as well. Now, if this is okay with you, you can share it like that. Do some arrangements, make everything look nice. So if you want to, you can also play around it by changing the color of each of the names. So this one here. So also for this one as well. And the reciter's name, let's use blue. Let's use okay. Let's just use this. So you see that you can just share it to your status like that. Let me just do this one. فَكُلُوا مِنْهَا وَأَطْعِمُوا الْبَائِسَ الْفَقِيرَ. Now you can just click on send to share it. So jazakumullah khairan for watching.